Social distancing really isn't that big of a problem here at the Connor Hats warehouse. Of course, we stay polite, we wave to each other. It's a long warehouse. We made these 6-foot long social distancing sticks. We used a bit of extra packing tape, but that's okay. And some of us, we just stay at home. Hey Ryan, how's it going at home? And then we made these funny strings off our fridge to make sure we don't get germs. And then when we do our photo shoots, personal space is important, so we just mark off as much space as we need and put some tape on the ground. Might cause a few problems, we just have to walk around. No worries about that. So we'll be happily here getting your hats, and we hope you're safe and happy, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.